back to everyone. In this video I will guide you how to one-handed mod access your device on Moto G37. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on accessibility. After click on accessibility, scroll down and click on system control and click on one-handed mode. Make sure turn on one-handed mode. After turn on one-handed mode, so click on this icon. Go back to home screen. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.